my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is going to be none other than a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. I feel like it's been, I don't know, 3 weeks, a month, somewhere around there, since I have uploaded a Fashion Nova haul, so I thought, you know what, it's about time. Can we just take a moment to talk about the box that the clothes came in? I mean, I just love it. It's this really heavy-duty box that has like a magnetic closure. I just think it's so cool. It's the little things. If you are new to my channel, I keep all the good stuff down in that description box. I have all of my measurements. I have my bust, my waist, my hips, my arms, my weight, and my height. So definitely make sure to go check that description box. I try to give all the information there as well as links to everything that I am talking about and that I try on for you today. Today's haul is definitely going to have a wide variety of clothing. We have some dresses. Okay. One dress, 2-piece sets, a jumpsuit, some tops, and bodysuits. So if you guys are interested to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. Alright, so the very first item that I picked up is actually what I'm wearing here, and this is a 2-piece set. I'm not sure if it's like in the loungewear section or what. I'm guessing it is. It's a super stretchy kind of crop top. Has the stripes going down the arm. I love the length of these sleeves. It does have a drawstring and the top does have a hood. It is very, very lightweight and stretchy. Love that. And then it comes with the matching bottoms. So black stretchy bottoms with the stripes going down the side. And they are not like tight-fitting pants down at the bottom. They're definitely a little bit more flowy, but I love that, especially just for lounging around. But I actually would totally go run an errand in this. Don't put it past me. I just think it's so cute. Matches. Who doesn't love black? I picked this up in a 2X, and it is definitely made of a super stretchy material. The next item I picked up is this tiger stripe button-up top. This is so stinking cute. It is a pretty long shirt. I think I show how long it is in the try-on portion, but how I did it was I unbuttoned the last button or two and tied it up so it was more of a crop top. And then I had this open with the necklace that I'm wearing. I just thought it was so cute. I picked this up in a 1X and it's not made of a stretchy material. The next item I picked up is a bodysuit, and it is this red bodysuit here. I love how it has this like peekaboo area here on the chest. It is a really pretty red. It's not like a super like bright in your face red, but it's not like a maroon either. It's just like the perfect red. I don't know how to explain it. It does have a snap closure in the crotch area, and I will note that it is a thong bodysuit, which I can appreciate because I don't like panty lines or bodysuit lines. So I picked this one up in a 1X. It is a stretchy material, and I will say I feel like I should have gotten a 2X because the arms were a little bit tight for my liking and almost like a little bit too short. So it was like cutting off my circulation just a little bit, which I typically am a 2X. In bodysuits I always size down just because I like them super tight, but this was a little too tight, if you know what I mean. The next bodysuit is kind of the same thing, but it is black and it is long sleeve, but it still has that peekaboo area on the chest. It has the long sleeves. It's made of like the same exact material. Same thing with the snap closure in the crotch area. It is a thong, so it's pretty much the same shirt, like I said. This is a 1X as well, and this one fit better because it didn't have those short sleeves. Like the rim part, like the edge, what is that called? I don't know, was like binding on my arms. This is not. So this long sleeve definitely feels better. I don't think I would have sized up to a 2X in this one. I think I did good. It's just so cute. I just love black. Then I picked up this metallic gold like mini dress. It's so cute. I absolutely love this gold color. It is a faux wrap dress. Like this is sewn shut so it cannot come apart. It has a tie here at the waist, and I loved the bottom of this dress. Like one portion goes down further than the rest of it. This dress does a really good job of like covering any like tummy areas that I don't want on display, I guess. I just think it's super cute. It is made of a stretchy material. I got this in a 1X and I absolutely love it. I think the only thing for me personally is that this gold color might, I'm not sure, I'll look back at the footage I guess, but it might blend in a little too much with my skin tone. But other than that, I'm just obsessed with it and it's so freaking cute. Then I picked up another 2-piece set. This one is a skirt with a little spaghetti strap crop top. I have seen this everywhere. I didn't see it everywhere until I ordered it, and then I swear I'm like seeing everybody on Instagram and YouTube with this, but in the pink color. I got mine in black and it is a mini skirt. It's black and white. I don't even know what this is. It's not really checker. I don't know what it is, but this black and white mini skirt, super, super stretchy. And then the matching crop top. Such a cute combo. I'm obsessed with it. Fits super well. I picked this up in a 2X and I absolutely love it. Then I picked up a jumpsuit. This is a black and white jumpsuit with this like zipper detailing here at the chest. You can zip it all the way up so you have no cleavage showing, or you can zip it down, you know, partially, show a little cleavage, or you can even zip it all the way and show a whole lot of cleavage. I just think it's super cute. The whole entire bottom portion is just black, like legging material. And then this top, like what, fourth, is white. I think it's so cute, so different, super comfortable. It's made of like a just cotton stretchy material, and I picked this up in a 2X. In one of my last videos, I was wearing this plum 2-piece set. Here it is, ladies. A lot of you guys were asking about it. It is just a plum pair of like stretch flowy pants with the matching, where did it go? With the matching top. Oh wow, let me fix that for you, how embarrassing. With the matching plum top, it is a crop top, it is long sleeve, and this does go kind of like off your shoulders. So just so you know, I just wore a regular bra and then put the straps like just right here. It was not annoying at all. I think this is super cute. I will say one thing about the pants though, and that is that this elastic band is not playing around. So it really cinches you in a lot. So it's just a really thick, like heavy duty, good band. I picked this set up, I don't remember if I said it, but I picked it up in a 2X and I am in love. So the last item I got is actually just ridiculous because you'll see why. I didn't try this on and I'm about to tell you why. So I just pictured myself wearing some light wash, like boyfriend or mom jeans that had some rips in them, and I roll them up and I wear some cute shoes with this bodysuit. Just wait for it. This sky blue, I mean, there's like clouds going on. It's so cute. This little upper like ruched area with the tie straps. And I got it and I thought, that would literally fit about a 5-year-old. I accidentally ordered an extra small. That wouldn't even fit my right leg. So I'm kind of bummed about it because I really wanted to get my size in this because I just think it's so cute. Like I said, with some light wash jeans. I'm very sad about it, but if it's still in stock, maybe I'll hop on and order it in my size. This is not my size. So that was everything for my Fashion Nova try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't get over that cloud bodysuit. I am so mad about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. It kind of gets my videos out to more people. So you'd really be helping me out, doing me a big old favor. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Check that description box for all of the things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.